What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Smart Money Saturdays. Today, I'm talking about how passive income actually gets built. And no, we're not talking about the Instagram version. But tell me if I'm wrong here. If you scroll social media long enough, you'll start to believe that passive income is easy to build. Shit, everybody's doing it, right? Buy a rental, launch a course, trade options, start a YouTube channel, buy dividend stocks, the list goes on and on. But as long as you do one of those things, boom, you're suddenly free. It's exciting, right? It's attractive. It sounds like a piece of cake. But here's the truth that nobody posts about. Passive income is rarely passive in the beginning. Hell, to be honest, I'm learning that the stuff that consistently works may never truly be 100% passive. The more I invest, the more I realize real passive income is built the same way almost everything meaningful in life is built. Slowly, intentionally, and with structure. Sure, there's some sexy, juicy deals out there that you might get in and get out of successfully and make some nice coin, but those are the ones that also tend to come with the highest risk. You see, what I'm starting to realize is that the biggest mistake that people make is chasing the appearance of passive income instead of building the foundation that supports it. Because passive income is not about asset first, it's about capital position. Most people try and build passive income while their financial life is still fragile. They don't have liquidity, they don't have a system, they don't have enough margin. So when the asset requires maintenance, because oh boy, does it always require maintenance, they panic. The rental needs repairs, the market dips, the business that you're invested in hits some bumps, and now the passive monthly income checks that you were getting stop coming in. Shit. Suddenly, passive becomes stressful. This is why I emphasize infrastructure before expansion. Nelson Nash actually talked about this idea indirectly in Becoming Your Own Banker. It's the importance of controlling the banking function before chasing outside opportunities. Because if you don't control capital flow, every investment becomes a pressure point. Passive income built without liquidity often turns into forced income. You don't feel free, you feel obligated. Believe me, I'm speaking from experience here. So here's what real passive income actually looks like. Step 1, build capital storage. Not savings, not just investments. I'm talking about a place where your money is liquid, growing, and accessible. Step 2, deploy capital intentionally. Not emotionally, not reactively. God, I've definitely done that before. I'm talking about deploying it intentionally. That might mean buying a cash flowing asset, funding a small business, private lending, acquiring rental property, hopefully something you actually know, like, and trust. But the key difference is this: you're deploying from a position of strength, not desperation. Step 3, recycle the flow. When income starts coming in, you don't inflate your lifestyle immediately. Shit, depending on a few different factors, you probably shouldn't inflate your lifestyle for the foreseeable future, unless that's what your overall goal is. No, instead, you're going to redirect that additional cash to rebuild your capital, to expand your system, to increase your margins. That's income stacking. And income stacking is very different from income chasing. Chasing income often looks flashy. We don't want flashy. That's why stacking income looks so boring. But believe me, boring compounds. Boring is often safe and repeatable. This is also where expectations matter, though. Dr. Wade Pfau's research in retirement income planning consistently highlights the importance of sustainable cash flow over chasing high returns. Don't be wooed by all the big numbers. Massive gains are great, but not at the expense of your principal. Believe me, you don't need 40% returns. You need predictable, repeatable cash flow that can survive market cycles and life cycles. That's what builds freedom. Now, let's bring this down to earth. I want you to think about any passive income idea you've considered. Ask yourself, do I currently have the liquidity to support this if it underperforms for 6 months? Do I have the margin to handle repairs, volatility, or slow growth? Or would I be forced into stress and unwise decisions almost immediately? If the answer is stress and poor decision making, the problem isn't the idea. The problem is the foundation. This is why infinite banking fits naturally into the conversation. Not because it creates massive returns. That's not what we're here for. Its purpose is to create a base layer of capital control. When your money is positioned properly, you can act without fear. You can borrow against your policy to fund opportunities, wisely, of course. Just because you have a policy doesn't give you permission to go and do dumb stuff. But the amazing part is, when you leverage your policy, your capital continues compounding. You can repay your system over time, completely on your schedule because you're the banker, and you don't disrupt the long-term growth of your system every time an opportunity arises and you decide to make a move on it. That's how passive income becomes sustainable instead of speculative. You start with the right system and you do the necessary due diligence. The truth is, most overnight passive income stories either skip the 5 to 10 years of quietly building that came before the highlight reel, or they're a month away from collapsing and taking all of your money with them. Just to be honest, financial freedom isn't built in a viral clip, you guys, and it sure as hell isn't built overnight. It's built in quiet, structured decisions repeated consistently. Now here's something practical that you can do this week. Instead of asking, what passive income stream should I start? Ask, what foundation am I building that allows passive income to be stable when I do start it? Next, let's look at your cash flow. If you generated an extra $1,000 a month tomorrow, would you spend it on things or would you stack it into your system? The answer to that probably tells you whether you're building freedom or just upgrading lifestyle. Finally, you want to redefine passive income. Passive income isn't income that requires zero effort. It's income that doesn't collapse when life gets inconvenient. That should be the standard. Now that you have a better grasp on some of the mindset stuff, in the next episode, we're going to start diving into the details of insurance and actually building out your ideal policy. We're going to start with breaking down health ratings so you better understand the impact that they have on your banking system. If you want help building the infrastructure that supports real passive income instead of just chasing trends, go ahead and visit my website at legacylifeandretirement.com or book yourself a free consultation using the link in the show notes below. I highly suggest checking out my full infinite banking overview if you do want to learn more about the process of banking. That, of course, is also linked in the description below. If you got any value out of today's show, do me a favor, take a moment, rate and review the podcast wherever it is that you listen. I would greatly appreciate it. As always, guys, the information is free, but the knowledge is priceless. I'll catch you next time. Hit him with that outro music.
Cash flow is key, best believe we'll teach you the way. Invest in your future, there's no time like today. Tune in, rise up, elevate your game. Financial freedom is possible, and it's yours to claim. Cash flow is key, best believe we'll teach you the way. Invest in your future, there's no time like today. Tune in, rise up, elevate your game. Financial freedom is possible, and it's yours to claim. Oh, oh. Welcome to the Cash Flow Chronicles, where we're redefining wealth and overcoming obstacles. Infinite banking, yeah, we control our cash. We put our money to work, so we know it's gonna last. Cash flow is key, best believe we'll teach you the way. Invest in your future, there's no time like today. Tune in, rise up, elevate your game. Financial freedom is possible, and it's yours.